Hello students, today we have to see some examples and problems based on replacement theory for TY BCom students. Subject name is Business Statistics Paper 3. This is 38th lecture for TY BCom students. So we will see some examples and problems. See the example. The cost of a machine is rupees 6,100 and its scrap value is only rupees 100. The maintenance costs are found from experience to be year and maintenance cost is given. First year maintenance cost is 100. Second year maintenance cost becomes 250. Third year maintenance cost is 400. Fourth year maintenance cost is 600. Fifth year maintenance cost is 900. Sixth year maintenance cost becomes 1250. Seventh year maintenance cost is 1600 and eighth year maintenance cost becomes 2000. When should the machine be replaced? That is the question. Now we are given cost of the machine C is equal to 6,100 and its scrap value is C is equal to rupees 100. And the cost of the machine is rupees 6,100. See the example. The cost of the machine is rupees 6,100 and its scrap value is only rupees 100. The maintenance costs are found from experience to be year and maintenance cost is given. First year maintenance cost is 100. Second year maintenance cost becomes 250. Third year maintenance cost is 400. Fourth year maintenance cost is 600. Fifth year maintenance cost is 900. Sixth year maintenance cost becomes 1250. Seventh year maintenance cost becomes 1600. Eighth year maintenance cost is 2000. When should the machine be replaced? See the solution. We are given the cost of the machine C is equal to rupees 6,100 and its scrap value is S is equal to rupees 100. And the cost of the machine is given to be rupees 6,100. In order to determine the optimal time N, when the machine should be replaced, we first calculate the average cost per year during the life of the machine as shown in the table below. First column is N, that is year of service. Second column we have to write running cost, that is nothing but maintenance cost. Third column cumulative running cost. Then fourth column depreciation, which is nothing but C minus S. C minus S will remain constant for this problem because machine cost is rupees 6,100 and scrap value is rupees 100 constant. So C minus S column will remain constant, that is nothing but 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, 6,000 and 6,000 up to 8 years. Then next column we have to find, that is nothing but total cost, and the last column we have to find, that is average cost. See the calculations. First of all, we have to write the running cost values which are already given in the problem statement. So maintenance cost is nothing but running cost 100, 250, 400, 600, 900, 1250, 1600 and 2000. These are the values of running cost. Next column we will calculate cumulative running cost. So 100 as it is, 100 plus 250 becomes 350. 350 plus 400 becomes 750. 750 plus 600 becomes 1350. 1350 plus 900. The cumulative running cost become 2250. 2250 plus 1250 becomes 3500. 3500 plus 1600 The cumulative running cost is 5,100. 5,100 plus 2,000. The answer is 7,100. Depreciation column is nothing but C minus S. C is 6,100 and S is 100. So C minus S will remain constant. 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, 6,000. Total cost we can get by adding column number 3 and column number 4. So for first year, the total cost is 100 plus 6,000. So that is nothing but 6,100. Average cost we can get by dividing column number 5 by 1, column number 1. So that is nothing but 6,100 divided by 1. So average cost is 6,100. Second calculation, 350 plus 6,000. So 6,350 divided by 2. So the average cost is 3,175. Next calculation, 750 plus 6,000. So the total cost becomes 6,750. We have to divide it by 3 to get average cost. So answer is 2,250. Next calculations, 1,350 plus 6,000. The total cost becomes 7,350 divided by 4. So average cost becomes 1,837. So 2,250 plus 6,000. Total cost is 6,250 divided by 5. The answer is 1,650. Next calculations, 3,500 plus 6,000. Answer is 9,500 divided by 6. So the average cost becomes 1,583 point something. Then 5,100 plus 6,000. Total cost becomes 11,100 divided by 7. So answer is 1,586. So if you observe last calculation, 7,100 plus 6,000. Total cost becomes 6,100 divided by 8. So answer is 1,638. So here it is observed that the maintenance cost in the 7th year becomes greater than the average cost for 6 years. Hence, machine should be replaced at the end of 6th year. Next example. An auto rickshaw driver finds from his previous records that the cost per year of running an auto rickshaw whose purchase price is rupees 7,000 is as given below. Question part is, at what age is the replacement due? Year and running cost is provided. So first year running cost is 1,100. Second year running cost becomes 1,300. Third year running cost is 1,500. Fourth year running cost becomes 1,900. Fifth year running cost is 2,400. Sixth year running cost is 2,900. Seventh year running cost is 3,500. And 8th year running cost is 4,100. Moreover, the resale values also vary according to the year age. So first year resale price is 3,100. Second year resale price becomes 1,600. Third year resale price becomes 850. Fourth year resale price is 475. Fifth year resale price becomes 300. Sixth year it will remain same 300. Seventh year also resale price is 300. Eighth year resale price is 300. Now first step is to find the cumulative running cost. So 1,100. 1,100 plus 1,300 becomes 2,400. 2,400 plus 1,500. The cumulative running cost becomes 3,900. 3,900 plus 1,900. The answer is 5,800. 5,800 plus 2,400. The cumulative running cost is 8,200. 8,200 plus 2,900. The cumulative running cost becomes 11,100. 11,100 plus 3,500. So answer is 14,600. 14,600 plus 4,100. The cumulative running cost is 18,700. Now we have to find the depreciation cost. That is nothing but C minus S. C value is 7,000 and S value is this column is called as S. This is not C, this is S. So 7,000 minus 3,100. The first answer is 3,900. Then 7,000 minus 1,600. C minus depreciation is 5,400. 7,000 minus 850. Depreciation becomes 6,150. Then 7,000 minus 7,000 minus 475. The answer is 6,525 depreciation. Then 7,000 minus 300 depreciation becomes 6,700. 7,000 minus 300 depreciation remains 6,700. 7,000 minus 300 depreciation becomes 6,700. Now to find total cost, we will add column number 3 and column number 4. So 1,100 plus 3,900. So answer is 4,010 rupees 10. Divided by 1 will give you the average cost. Second calculation, 2,400 plus 5,600. So answer is 7,800 divided by 2. Average cost becomes 3,900. Next, 3,900 plus 6,150. Total cost becomes 10,050 divided by 3. So average cost is 3,350. Next, 5,800 plus 6,525 will give you 12,325 divided by 4. The average cost is 3,081.25. Then next calculations, 8,200 plus 6,700. The total cost is 14,900. Average cost divided by 5, 14,900 divided by 5 will give you average cost as 2,980. Next, 11,100 plus 6,700. The total cost becomes 17,800 divided by 6. So average cost is 2,966.67. Then 14,600 plus 6,700. Total cost becomes 21,300 divided by 7. Average cost is 3,042.85. 18,700 plus 6,700 becomes 25,400. So divided by 8, the average cost is 3,175. If you observe the values, after 5th year, see for fifth year, average cost is 2,980. 6th year, 2,966.67. So we can say that auto rickshaw should be replaced at the end of the 6th year. It is more for 6th year than 5th year. So the auto rickshaw should be replaced at the end of the 6th year. See the next example. A truck owner finds from his past records that the maintenance cost per year of a truck whose purchase price is rupees 8,000 are given below. Year, first year maintenance cost is rupees 1,000. Second year it becomes 1,300. Third year it becomes 1,770. Fourth year 2,200. Fifth year 2,700. Sixth year 3,800. Seventh year 4,800. Eighth year 6,000. And the resale prices are also given. First year 4,000. Second year 2,000. Third year 1,200. Fourth year 600. Fifth year 500. Sixth year 400. 7th year 400, 8th year 400. Determine at what time it is profitable to replace the truck. See the solution. We know that total cost is equal to C minus S plus summation RT. T takes value from 0 to n, where C is the capital or purchase price of new equipment. S is the scrap value of the equipment at the end of T years. RT is the running cost of equipment for the year T. N is replacement age of the equipment. Therefore, the average cost per unit time over the period of 8 years is given by average cost is equal to 1 upon n C minus S plus summation RT. C is equal to 8000. We perform the calculations in the tabular form as n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Running cost is already given 1000, 1300, 1700, 1200, 2900, 3800, 4800, 6000. So first step is to find cumulative running cost. So cumulative running cost is calculated as 1000 as it is. 1000 plus 1300 becomes 2300. 2300 plus 1700 value becomes 4000. 4000 plus 2200. So cumulative running cost is 6200. 6200 plus 2900. The value becomes 9100. 9100 plus 3800. So answer is 12900. 12900 plus 4800. Cumulative running cost is 17700. 17700 plus 6000. Answer is 23700. Scrap value is given. For first year it is 4000. Second year it becomes 2000. Third year it becomes 1200. 600, 500, 400, 400, 400. So S value is given. So first step is to calculate C minus S. So C cost of the equipment is 8000. So 8000 minus 4000 becomes 4000. 8000 minus 2000 becomes 6000. 8000 minus 1200 becomes 6800. 8000 minus 600 becomes 7400. 8000 minus 500 becomes 7500. 8000 minus 4400 becomes 7600. 8000 minus 400 becomes 7600. 8000 minus 400 becomes 7600. Now total cost is nothing but column number 3 plus column number 4. So that is nothing but 1000 plus 4000, total is 5000. Average cost can be calculated by 5000 divided by 1. So first answer is 5000. Then 2300 plus 6000 becomes 8300 divided by 2. So 4150. 4000 plus 6800, total cost becomes 10800 divided by 3. So answer is 3600. Then 6200 plus 7400. So answer is 13600 divided by 4. So answer is 3400. Then 9100 plus 7500 becomes 16600 divided by 6. So answer is 3326. Then 17700 plus 7600. So answer is 25300 divided by 7. Answer is 3616. So 23,700 plus 7,600 becomes 31,300 divided by 8 is 3,900 and something. If you observe the last column, so 3400 is the average cost for fourth year. Fifth year it becomes 3300 and something. Then it again increases 3416. So machine should be replaced at the end of the fifth year because the maintenance cost in sixth year becomes greater than the average cost for 5 years.